What we got, baby? What we got? Whoa, little darky. Sound of grinding a politician's skull into a fine powder, huh? Okay. Ray, we're doing I think we're doing Lord of the Rings, the third one, and the what do you call it? The Joker. I would have fucking. This is hard. I mean, I need to add this to the goddamn gaming playlist. I can see myself going crazy. I've been digging for diamonds on this shit. This nigga's voice, dude. Oh my god. That I never met. I'm coming so my consciousness has fucking left my body. That was fucking insane. Mortals that I never met. I'm coming so my consciousness has fucking left my body. What's going on with your cock, buddy? I worship God, then I killed him. I made a new one. That's a narcissist. Well, okay, so Darky wildin'. Hey, shout out to you, bro. Really hope you do better with life. You know what I'm saying? Killing God is crazy. Yeah, we're gonna pause little Darky right there. Love you, gang.